Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Looker Studio to Salesforce, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Looker Studio's website. Log into your Looker Studio account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the upper left corner. Select Report from the drop-down menu. A new blank report window will open. On the right side, click on Add Data. In the Data Source section, locate the Salesforce connector. Click on the Salesforce option to start the connection process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to authenticate with Salesforce. Enter your Salesforce credentials and grant the necessary permissions to Looker Studio. Once authenticated, you will see a list of your Salesforce objects. Select the object you want to use in your report, such as accounts or opportunities. You can customize the fields you want to import by checking. After making your selections, click on the Add button. Your Salesforce data is now connected and imported into Looker Studio. On the report canvas, start visualizing your data using charts or tables. Use the side panel to customize your visualizations as needed. Once your report looks the way you want, save your work. You now have a functional Looker Studio report connected to Salesforce. Feel free to explore additional features and functionalities to enhance your report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.